Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. On this video I will show you my way to do easy and perfect beard shape. Stay till the end of the video because I will give you more important tips. First time you must start with the bottom line to have a guideline. Like this you can check both sides to be easy online and shape correctly. When you finish the bottom line, now start to shape the top and check yourself with the mirror because the mirror never lies. Don't forget to keep your finger nice and clean. If it's not nice and clean, clean it on the towel every time. After you done the both sides, focus on the mustache and bottom lip. Leave a comment below and tell me where you struggle, when do you do shave, which part is complicated to you, and I will try to make a video about it. I will give you few tips. To make soft the beard, I will use face cream because it makes the hair from the face very soft and easy for razor blades to cut. Don't forget, when you add the cream, you must massage it before the beard to get soft. Give a very good massage before you start to shaving. My second opinion is after I use the face moisturizer, the skin will be very smooth and he will like it. The customer love it. I prefer to don't use the shaving gel only because will be messy for the client face and for our hands and towels. Try face cream, you might like it more. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel because every week I post new tutorials with tips to get a better barber. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, because every week I post new tutorials with tips to get a better barber.